Welcome to another Tuesday food review. We're going back to brown cow yogurt, the maple flavor. The shelf life on this is September 13th. I bought this in August, so it's a really good product. I love buying this, and unfortunately where I live there's only 3 flavors. But this is a really good quality yogurt, and it's definitely worth trying. Here's the back of it. If you want, feel free to pause it, and then I'll show you the other side. Here's the nutrition. Like I said, pause it if needed. Every Tuesday and Thursday I bring you food reviews. New products, old products, and anything that has to do with food. Alright, so let's open this and you can get a look at it. Alright, YouTube, so that's what it looks like inside. Look how thick this yogurt is. So you can't go wrong trying brown cow. So today is a food review. If you like food reviews, please subscribe, tell your friends, and like I said, you'll see me every Tuesday and Thursday with food reviews. Bye bye, peace.